Good morning, students. Let's go for the next problem. You are given the following data. Point was the given production 5 lakh units. So production same thing can be taken as a sales. Fixed cost rupees 7 lakh 50,000. Variable cost per unit rupees 2. Selling price per unit rupees 5. You are required to determine first point. So in this chapter I already told even in the last video, each point we have to treat separately. Okay, each point question will be treated separately according to the what adjustment given in each question. According to that we have to gather the information. Okay, but some of the like variable cost per unit, all variables are rates are constant, so that will be common sometime. Okay, while doing the problem you'll understand that. First question they asked, break even point in units and sales. So two formulas we have to apply, break even point units as well as the sales. Before that, first we have to calculate the contribution. Even though they not asked also, we require a contribution value. So first we have to ascertain the contribution, then we have to go for applying the BEP formula in units as well as in rupees. Margin of safety. Margin of safety. Second question is margin of safety, actual sales minus break-even sales. Break-even sales you will get from the first question answer, that is break-even sales in rupees, that value and actual sales value. If you take the difference, that is the margin of safety. Third question, sales needed for a profit of rupees 5 lakh. So profit is given, sales amount has to be calculated, means we have to apply the formula. Okay, remember when they ask you to calculate sales by giving the profit amount, means we have to apply the formula. Fourth question, the amount of profit when, that means calculate the amount of profit when 4 lakh units were sold at rupees 6 per unit. So here units sold is different and rate also different. So according to the question D, we have to take sales as a 4 lakh units into 6 per unit. Okay. With that, we have to calculate the sales. So in the C point, sales is not given, profit is given. Here sales is given, profit is not given, means we have to prepare the marginal statement. Okay, marginal cost statement. Even for a point E, the amount of profit when sales are rupees 12 lakh. So here also the amount of profit when sales are rupees 12 lakh. That means sales is given directly, but profit is not given. Again we have to prepare the marginal cost sheet. Okay, so first question A, break even points, two formula we have to apply. Second question, one formula, margin of safety. Third question, we have to apply the formula. Fourth question, we have to prepare the statement. Fifth question also we have to prepare the statement. Okay, here I written the format. So first we have to ascertain contribution. So sales is 5, variable is 2, so 3 is the contribution. Okay. Next, we have to apply the calculation of break-even points. That is in units. Total fixed cost, TPC means total fixed cost divided by CPU means contribution per unit. So total fixed cost is common because fixed means amount is same. Per unit, now we calculated contribution per unit 3. So 2,50,000 units. 2,50,000 units. Break even in rupees 7,50,000 divided by 3 into selling price 5. So you will get 12,50,000. 12,50,000 rupees. So now we calculated break even in units as well as break even in rupees. Next, actual sales, that is per margin of safety, actual sales minus break even sales. Actual sales given units production, that is should be taken as a, because no other information given related to sale. So whatever units produced, same thing should be taken as a total sales. So 5 lakh minus, what is the break even point we got? 2 lakh 50,000. We are taking in units, not in rupees. If you take in rupees means 5 lakh into 5, we have to take minus 12 lakh 50,000 in rupees value. Okay, so formula we can change. When we using the unit formula, we are taking units produced without multiplying the selling price and units in break even point. Okay, to take the amount, so 2 lakh 50,000 is the margin of safety. Sales for the desired profit. Total fixed cost plus profit divided by contribution per unit. So 7 lakh 50,000 divided by 3 plus profit is, desired profit is given 5 lakh. Okay, you will get 4 lakh 16,667. Okay, that is the sales for the desired profit. Then come to the calculation of profit. Okay, when sales is given, so sales is sales, that is units produced is 4 lakh into 6, you'll get 24 lakh. You'll get 24 lakhs. So 4 lakh into 6, you'll get 24 lakh. Less variable cost is 4 lakh into, already said, only variable rate is always constant because it is a variable, so rate is constant. So in the problem the given rate is 2, so same 2 should be used here. Even while calculating the contribution we taken 2, same 2 should be used here also in the variable cost, but amount we have to take as per the units produced. So 8 lakh difference 16 lakh, that is the contribution. Less fixed cost. Fixed cost is same always, amount is same, 7 lakh 50,000. So 8 lakh 50,000 is the profit. 8 lakh 50,000 is the profit. Okay, point E, sales is, point E, sales, they given the amount 12 lakh, units is not given. See that total cost is given, sales value, but units, how many units sold and rate is not given. Okay, variable we required variable, it should be multiplied with 2 because rate is constant, but we required units. So 12 lakhs divided by 5. 5 is the old selling price. Okay, remember in the question they have given selling price. Even selling price also it is a variable. If they are not given any rate or units, we have to use the same selling price here. If you divide 12 lakhs divided by 5 rupees, okay, you will get 2 lakh 40,000. You will get 2 lakh 40,000 into 2. 12 lakhs divided by 5. If you get 2 lakh 40,000 into 2, you will get 4 lakh 80,000. 4 lakh 80,000. Difference 7 lakh 20,000 is the contribution. Less fixed cost, here also same 7 lakh 50,000. Okay, so contribution is 7 lakh 20, but fixed cost is 7 lakh 50,000. So 30,000 is the loss. 30,000 is the loss. There is no profit in this case, it is a loss. Okay,